When planning a window replacement project in Dallas, timing and preparation matter more than many homeowners realize. Dallas weather can be unpredictable, from scorching summer heat and sudden thunderstorms to fluctuating temperatures in spring and fall. Understanding how local climate conditions impact window installation helps you plan wisely and ensure the best possible results. Here's what Dallas homeowners should know before scheduling a window installation project. Summer heat and installation timing. Dallas summers are known for intense heat. High temperatures can affect both comfort and materials during installation. Professional installers are trained to work efficiently in warm conditions, but extreme heat may require adjusted scheduling. Many projects are completed earlier in the morning to avoid peak afternoon temperatures. Heat can also influence certain sealants and materials. Experienced installers choose products designed to perform properly even in elevated temperatures, ensuring strong adhesion and airtight sealing. While summer is a popular time for home improvement projects, planning ahead allows you to secure optimal scheduling. Sudden storms and rain delays. Dallas weather can shift quickly, especially during spring and early summer when thunderstorms are common. Window installation involves temporarily removing old windows, which exposes the opening to outdoor conditions. Professional crews closely monitor weather forecasts before and during installation. If heavy rain is expected, projects may be rescheduled to protect your home. When installation proceeds, crews work carefully and efficiently to minimize the time your home is exposed. Proper flashing and sealing techniques ensure long-term protection against future rainstorms. Temperature fluctuations and material performance. Dallas experiences seasonal temperature swings, particularly during fall and winter. While winters are generally mild compared to northern climates, cooler days can still affect certain materials. Window frames and building materials expand and contract with temperature changes. Professional installers account for this movement during installation to ensure a proper fit year-round. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to handle these shifts without compromising performance. Wind and dust considerations. Dallas can also experience windy conditions, especially during seasonal transitions. Wind may carry dust and debris, which installers manage by protecting interior spaces and keeping work areas clean. Professional teams use drop cloths and protective coverings to shield floors and furnishings during installation. After the project is complete, they perform thorough cleanup to ensure your home remains tidy. Energy efficiency in a hot climate. One of the main reasons Dallas homeowners invest in new windows is to combat heat and reduce cooling costs. Modern energy-efficient windows with low E coatings, insulated glass, and argon gas fills are especially beneficial in this climate. Proper installation is essential to maximize these features. Weather-resistant sealants and precise insulation around the frame prevent air leaks, ensuring your new windows perform optimally during both hot summers and cooler winter months. Choosing the best season for installation. While window installation can be performed year-round in Dallas, spring and fall are often considered ideal due to milder temperatures and reduced storm activity. However, experienced installers can successfully complete projects during any season by adapting to local weather conditions. The most important factor isn't the season, it's working with skilled professionals who understand Dallas's climate and plan accordingly. Preparing your home for weather variability. As a homeowner, you can help ensure a smooth installation by staying flexible with scheduling if severe weather is forecast, clearing work areas for efficient installation, communicating with your installer about any weather-related concerns. Proper planning minimizes disruptions and keeps your project on track. A successful installation in any season. Dallas weather presents unique challenges, but it doesn't have to delay your home improvement goals. With careful planning, professional expertise, and high-quality materials, window installation projects can be completed efficiently and effectively, regardless of the season. By understanding how local weather impacts installation, Dallas homeowners can approach their window upgrade with confidence, knowing their home will be prepared to handle whatever the forecast brings.